In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enter barcodes by box in Excel. And so in this instance, we have a number of different products, we have a number of different boxes, and we have different shipping methods for each of these boxes. The person that I did this work for wanted the boxes to be filled up individually before they went on to the next box. They're basically scanning the item as they go into the box and then printing the label, and away it goes. So let's scan the first item. I have them on another sheet. I don't have a scanner, so I'm just copying them in. And so let's go press on here and go Control V. And now it colors the first item green for its being scanned. And then it brings up a box and it shows you what the total number of items in that box is. And so to scan the next number, what you're going to do is you're just going to scan it on this dialog box. And then that turns green. And then we're going to scan the third item. And that turns green. Now, automatically, it's going to print a shipping label. A1 pickup is the delivery method for this item. I have in the code, I have it automatically printing the labels, but it was costing me too much ink to keep doing it, so I've just had it commented out. Okay, so let's try another one. Let's try for box J445. There's only 2 items in there. Let's scan the first item in for there. And there you have it. It shows you that you have the 2 items total. And so let's scan in the second item here. So this is going by courier, and the box is J445. So let's go in, and it's got the label all ready to print. So let me show you how I did this. First of all, the code that's contained on the sheet is basically any change to B2, which is where we're scanning in. Then it's going to call the sub green. So now let's go in and take a look at what green looks like. So green is basically similar to what I've done before, where you change the scan item to green. The barcode is whatever is in B2. The range, you're searching down the A column for the barcode. And if the range is nothing, it's going to send an error message, not found. Else, the row number. The row number is where the range row. So we're selecting the first cell and the second cell, and then we're changing the interior color of the selected cells to 4, so that's green. And then the box number is whatever is in the second column value. And now it's saying for the user form text box 1, the value is the box number. In here, we're calling up our user form. I specify the width and the height. This is important to do because if you don't do it, your user form will keep growing on you. And now, what I will do is I'll show you my user form. So my user form has the box name that's coming from our application green in here. And then it's going to, anything with that box number on, it's going to list in here in your list box. Okay, so there's a bunch of code for this I will show you. So I'm going to double click here. It calculates the end row of sheet 1 by going from the bottom coming up. And what we're doing is we're clearing the list box. So it's me.listbox.clear. This is important so you don't have items coming in from a previous search. For row 5, and that's where we start to the end row, what you're going to do is you're seeing if the value is equal to what we have in our text box 1, then you're going to add it to the item to the list. A text box 2 set focus, and what that means is that now you're going to be looking at the scan-in box. This is the little bit of code I have for text box 2. If the length of text box 2 text is 6, and that's how long these barcodes are, then you're going to call another program called other, which we will go over right away, and then or else you exit the sub. So the third thing is I'm initializing the user form by user form text box 1 equals box number. Okay, so let's go into the the application Other, and it's very similar to my barcode one, except for the barcode is now the user form text box text. We're once again looking on the A column for the range, and it's not found. It's going to give you an error message. It's once more going to change the color green. What it's going to do now is going to set each row with the same box number to range 2. And it's going to do that until it's done. And now then it says if range 2 interior color equals 4, so if the whole range is colored 4, then you unload the form and set the form equals nothing. And then we're going to go to, and we're going to get our labels ready for printing. Here I have the command that I commented out, and sheet 1 activates, so you're going back to where you're scanning in from. I will, of course, include the code in the description of my video. Please subscribe.